Embark on a mouth-watering journey to the vibrant streets of Thailand in our video, Taste of Thailand, exploring the wonders of Thai street food. Join us as we delve into the bustling markets, bustling street vendors, and the irresistible allure of Thailand's iconic street cuisine. Our adventure begins in the bustling alleys of Bangkok, where the aroma of sizzling woks, fragrant herbs, and exotic spices fills the air. Immerse yourself in the kaleidoscope of Thai flavors as we delve into the artistry of crafting authentic Thai street food. As we uncover the culinary magic behind Thai street food, you'll witness the skillful hands of local street vendors at work. Fresh ingredients are transformed into savory dishes like pad Thai, som tum, and Thai-style grilled skewers. It's a symphony of bold flavors and textures that embodies the essence of Thai cuisine. But Thai street food is more than just a meal. It's a reflection of Thailand's vibrant culture and culinary heritage. We'll take you on a sensory journey, from the bustling night markets of Chiang Mai to the coastal stalls of Phuket, each offering its unique culinary treasures. Discover the significance of Thai street food in Thai culture, where it's not just a way to satisfy hunger but a communal experience that brings people together, fostering a sense of camaraderie, festivity, and shared joy. Taste of Thailand is not just a video, it's a tribute to the culinary traditions, lively street scenes, and the warm hospitality of Thailand. Join us as we savor every moment of this culinary adventure through Thai street food, and experience the artistry and passion that have made this cuisine a global sensation. Prepare to be inspired, educated, and transported to the bustling streets and exotic landscapes of Thailand by the captivating stories and mouth-watering flavors that await you in Taste of Thailand, exploring the wonders of Thai street food.